Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a Tesla charging port not opening. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first fix we can do is use the touchscreen or app. So on the Tesla touchscreen, tap the charging icon and select open charge port. Or if you're using the Tesla mobile app, go to controls, charge port and then open. You can also use the charge handle button, so press the button on your Tesla charger handle while standing close to the car. If it doesn't work, try another charger. You can also use the manual release, so for models free wire, open the trunk and locate the manual release cable inside the left side panel near the tailgate. Pull the black release cable gently to open the port. For model SX, try manually pushing the charge port door. Some models allow you to push it open. Another fix we can try is reboot the car. So hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen turns off. Wait for the Tesla logo to appear and try again. Power cycle the vehicle. So put the car in park and then we need to go to controls, safety and security, power off. Wait 2 to 3 minutes, then press the brake pedal to turn the car back on. Also check for obstructions and dirt. So make sure there's no ice, dirt or debris is blocking the charge port. If frozen, gently warm the area with your hand or a warm cloth. Also check for any software updates. So go to controls, software and check for any available updates. And if none of these fixes work, just simply contact Tesla support or even schedule your vehicle in for a service appointment through the Tesla app.